Pythagoras theorem is used to answer questions regarding the length of sides of a right angle triangle. The first thing we have to do is to identify the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is the longest line you can find in a right angle triangle. This is the one and it is opposite 90 degrees. So this is the hypotenuse. We are given the measurement of hypotenuse 17 cm, 8 cm for KL. We are supposed to find the length of LM or ML. Either way will be correct. So to start your working is to start writing the measurement of hypotenuse. So you start by writing 17 square. If you are given the measurement here, you start the sentence by writing the numbers. 17 square equals, next, you can either write this or this. It doesn't matter. As long as you start your sentence with hypotenuse, then you can choose either one. So I choose to use 8 cm. Next number we write 8 square. And this must be a plus. That is because you start the sentence by using hypotenuse length. Alright? So if this is from the hypotenuse, this one is definitely a plus symbol. And the last part here, we use the name of the corners of the triangle. So I write as LM square. Next thing is to expand these numbers. 17 square will give us 289 equals 8 square 64 plus LM square. Make sure you start the first sentence by putting square for each and every number and name here. Next thing is to find LM square. So we have to move 64 to the left hand side. There's no symbol here. Definitely it's a positive 64. Moving this positive 64 to the left hand side, positive changes to negative. Next line, we copy this number first, 289, and 64 has become minus 64, or we call it negative 64. On the right hand side of the equal sign, we are left with LM square. After calculation, we get 225. Alright, there is only one term on the left hand side and one term on the right hand side. So we should exchange the position. Next is to write as LM square equals to 225. And to get rid of the square, we have to square root the number on the right hand side. After pressing calculator, you will get the final answer, LM equals to 15. Don't forget to put the unit cm.